Hello students, in previous part we had a discussion regarding factors of production. We had a discussion about four factors of productions are there: land, labor, capital and human capital. In this part we'll discuss about land. Nature has given limited amount of land. You cannot increase or decrease the size of land. So land is fixed. The standard unit of measuring land, how we can measure the land by the help of hectare. In hectare there are traditional methods are there, local units we can utilize for bigha, guntha, etc. 1 hectare equals to the area of a square with one side measuring 100 meters. Now major question is there a way one can grow more crop from the same land? क्या इस ज़मीन के ऊपर हम ज़्यादा क्रॉप ग्रो कर सकते हैं? देयर आर टू मेथड्स आर देयर. वन इज़ मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग, सेकंड इज़ मॉडर्न फार्मिंग. फर्स्ट विल डिस्कस अबाउट मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग. मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग क्या होती है? ग्रो मोर देन वन क्रॉप इन ए पीस ऑफ लैंड इन ए ईयर. एक साल के अंदर एक ज़मीन के अंदर हम कई सारी क्रॉप ग्रो कर सकते हैं, उसे मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग कहते हैं. You already knew about it in previous, as far as the knowledge of previous class. There are three types of crops that we used to grow: Rabi crop, Kharif crop and Zaid crop. Rabi crop mainly a winter season crop. Wheat is an example of it. Kharif crop is an example of rainy season crop. Rice is an example of it. And Zaid crop is an example of summer season crop. You eat watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, etc. Now next method of farming is modern farming method. Modern farming method includes the scientific method for higher yield. Term is there yield. Yield क्या होता है? Yield is measured as crop produced during a single season. For example, आपने 1 हेक्टेयर में 1300 kg ग्रेन प्रोड्यूस किया तो ये yield कहलाएगा. Not all the farmers use modern farming method. There are some farmers in our country, as they are poor, so they use traditional method of farming. अब traditional method of farming क्या होता है? Under which use of traditional seeds use करते हैं. Less irrigation, they depends on mostly on monsoon because in the absence of irrigational facilities, natural manure and most of the work done by the hands. Natural manure such as cow dung, etc. The produce or output is very low. If we talk about modern method of farming, they use HYV seeds in the farming. More HYV means high yielding variety seeds. This required more water for irrigation, so it is successful in those areas where water is available in plenty. Use of chemical and fertilizers, pesticides, modern tools such as tractors, harvesters, combiners for irrigation, PVC pipes are there. The produce or output is very high in that circumstances. If you compare about it in modern farm, 1 हेक्टेयर में लगभग 3200 kg 3200 kg ग्रेन प्रोड्यूस हो जाता है एज कम्पेयर टू द ट्रेडिशनल फार्मिंग मेथड. दिस मेथड ऑफ farming is adopted by the Indian government during the process of Green Revolution. Green Revolution is invented by a Mexican person named Dr. Norman Borlaug. Where Green Revolution was successful in our country, where the water bodies are available in plenty. There are 3 states where Green Revolution was successful: Punjab, Haryana and Western UP in earlier phases. Green Revolution is the requirement of our country because population is increasing day by day. So we need grain for feeding the people. Definitely the using of modern farming method, crop production increase, as these are the 3 benefited areas are there. But modern farming methods creates problem too, as we have discussed about HYV seeds required more water for irrigation. In that manner, our water bodies are in great trouble. By using of continuous use of chemical and fertilizers, the sustainability of plant will decrease. As we use more chemical and fertilizers, we use more fertilizers as per the higher doses of production. So that will reduce the water level goes down in rivers and ponds. Chemical and fertilizers pollute groundwater of river and tanks. Chemical and fertilizers can also kill bacteria and other microorganisms in the soil. This means same after the using of some time, the soil will be less fertile than ever before. In Punjab, chemical and fertilizers used highly in these states. Continuous use of chemical and fertilizers has led to the degradation of soil health. Punjab farmers are now forced to use more and more chemical and fertilizers for output to achieve the same production level. This means cost of cultivation is rushing very fast. Because of this, the problem is created on land as well. The problem of waterlogging is also there. To maintain soil fertility, there is another solution is there in the form of organic farming. There are some states like Sikkim is already converted into a organic states. We need higher crops, we need more crops for to feed the population, but very same way we need to protect our soil as well. So solution is there, so we used to adopt the path of sustainable development. That's it for the module. We'll see the next part in next module.